Hello guys. So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate one of my client requirement, which is basically is to extract the data from a site which uh, contain a PDF file. So we need to extract the data from a PDF file, and basically the important thing is the PDF file contains an image. So this Python scripts will convert an image into readable form. For that, I am using an OCR library for Python, which will basically convert an image into an readable form. So let me show you a website first. So basically, this is the website URL, and the scraper will go to this first list and download this first PDF file. So after downloading it, the scraper will fetch these values as the requirement is to fetch these highlighted values. So only the PSO price of desk price will be fetching from the last line, and the PLL price and the number of cargoes for PSO and PLL. So the scraper will fetch these values, and after fetching these values, it will save the data into the SQL Server database. And for that, I have created an stored procedure which will first check if these values are already exist in the database or not. If these values were already exist in the database, then it will just update the modified date. And if these values will not be available, if these values will not be existed in the database, then it will insert the whole record as a new row. So first let us see our table is empty, and now we will just run our scraper to see how what the scraper will fetch. So I have run my scraper, and as you can see that it has downloaded a PDF file, and now it is converting a PDF file into a readable form. For that, currently it is doing an OCR for that. What will OCR do? OCR will just convert an image into a readable form. As you can see, these two files, now it has deleted both files. So what the scraper will do, it will first download the PDF file, and after downloading it, it will convert the PDF file into an OCR. So you have seen both two files here, and after fetching the values from the OCR file, at the end it will delete both the files so that the space will not be consumed for that. So as you can see, the scraper will fetch four values: the PSO desk price, the PLL desk price. So let us just match these values. So the PSO desk price is 11.3439. If I can just zoom in, so you can check 11.3439, and this is the value of 11.3439, and the PLL price is 11.1228, and this is also matching. And what it will do for PSO is it will add both values and give it as a result. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and the PLL price is 1. So this is the yellow price. And let us see the result in our SQL database. So currently there were no rows, but after this scraper run, let us execute this script again and just see the result. So as you can see, these four values are inserted in our database. And if I run the script again, so there will now be additional row for that. The modified column will be updated with the current date. So basically, I the scraper will execute the stored procedure first, and then stored procedure will insert or update the data in our table. And the stored procedure will supposed to check if the type, year, month, or and source URL is same or not. If it is same, then it will just update these values. It will update the value and the modified on column with the current date. And if these values were not matching, any of these values were not matched, then it will insert the whole data as a new record. Hope you guys will like it, and If you guys will like it, let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.